Good morning students. Today we are going to see the new chapter, chapter 4 Life Mathematics. In this chapter, first we are going to learn about the applications of percentage. We know that percent means per 100 or out of 100. It is denoted by the symbol percent. If x% is given, then it denote it as a fraction by x by 100. This application of percentage is very useful in comparing the quantities easily. Now let's see some sums using the application of percentage from exercise 1.1. Third sum, 48 is 32% of what number? You have to find out the number to which the 32% is 48. For that, first we are considered the number to be x. It is given that 32% of x is equal to 48. The 32% of x can be written as 32 by 100 into x, which is equal to 48. From this, you have to find the value of x. For that, we are moving 32 by 100 to the next side. We get x equal to 48. When you are moving this fraction to the next side, it becomes reciprocal. That is 32 by 100 will becomes 100 by 32. After cancelling by the common factors, we get the value of x to be 150. Therefore, the number is 150. Let's see the next sum. What is 25% of 30% of 400? For this sum, first you have to find the value of 30% of 400. With that value, you have to find out the 25% of that number. For we are writing 25% of 30% of 400. It can be written in the form 25 by 100. Instead of half, you have to put into. Then 30% can be written as 30 by 100. Again, instead of half, you have to put into of 400. First, you have to find the value of 30 by 100 into 400. After cancelling the zeros, we get 30 into 4. That is 25 by 100 into 30 into 4 by 100. Again, we are cancelling by the common factors. We get the answer as 30. Therefore, 25% of 30% of 400 is 30. The next sum, if the difference between 75% of a number and 60% of the same number is 82.5, then find 20% of the number. Here, first you have to find out the 75% of number, then you have to find out the 60% of number. When you are finding the difference between these two, we will get the answer as 82.5. Using this, you have to find out the number. With that number, next you have to find out the 20% of the number. For that, first we are taking, let the number be x. 75% of x minus 60% of x is given as 82.5. 75% of x minus 60% of x, when you are subtracting 75% and 60%, we get 15% of x equal to 82.5. 15% of x can be written as 15 by 100 into x, which is equal to 82.5. Again, when we are moving this fraction to the next sign, it becomes reciprocal. Then we get x equal to 82.5 into 100 by 15. When we cancel it by the common factors, we will get the number as 550. For this number, you have to find out the 20%. That is 20% of 550, which is equal to 20 by 100 into 550. After cancelling the zeros, we get the answer as 110. Sixth sum, if a car is sold for rupees 2 lakh from its original price of rupees 3 lakh, find the percentage for decrease in the value of the car. That is, the original price of the car is rupees 3 lakhs, but it is sold for only 2 lakhs. You have to find out the decrease percentage. For that, first you have to find out the decrease amount. That is, the original price minus the selling price, we will get the decrease in amount. That is, the decrease in amount is rupees 1 lakh. To find the percentage for this decrease, you have to find out the decrease amount by original value into 100. That is 1 lakh by 3 lakh into 100. After cancelling the zeros, we will get 100 by 3. That is 33 1 by 3%. This will comes when we divide 100 by 3, we get 33 1 by 3%. The next sum, a car when increased by 18% gives 236. Find the number. A number when increased by 18%, that is the number plus 18% of the number, we get 236. If it is given as increased, you have to put the plus sign. If it is given as a decreased, then you have to put the minus sign and subtract the value, and you have to find the value of the number. In this sum, they had given increased, so we are going to add the number and 80% of the number. That is x plus 80% of x is equal to 236. X percent of 18% of x can be written by 18 by 100 into x. Then after taking the LCM, we get 100x plus 18x equal to 236 into 100. That is 118x is equal to 2036 into 100. When you are moving this 118 to the next side, it becomes division. And after write it as a division, you have to cancel by the common factors. We get the answer as 200. Therefore, then when a number increased by 18%, which gives 236, means the number is 200. Let's see one more sum from that exercise. A number is increased by 25% and then decreased by 20%. Find the change in that number. In this sum, they had given when first the number is increased by 25%. That value again it is decreased by 20%. You have to find out the change in the number and the final number. For that, we are assuming the number to be 100. First one is increased by 25%. That is 100 plus 25% can be written as 25 by 100 into 100. After cancelling the zeros, we get 100 plus 25 as 125. That is, if the number is taken as 100 and it is increased by 25%, means we get the amount as 125. The next, this 125 is decreased by 20%. That is 125 minus 20% of 125. This can be written as 125 minus 20 by 100 into 125. After cancelling it, we get 125 minus 25, that is equal to 100. First, we are assuming the number is also 100, and finally we get the number is also 100. Therefore, there is no change in that number. Thank you.